Intro, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, your home for honest bike reviews and quick breakdowns. Today we're talking about the Hero HF Deluxe, one of the most trusted commuter motorcycles in the 100 cubic centimeters segment. Design and build quality. The Hero HF Deluxe keeps things simple and practical with its slim profile, clean lines, and durable build. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for daily city rides and tight traffic situations. The comfortable seat and upright riding posture ensure a relaxed experience for riders of all ages. Engine and performance. Powering the HF Deluxe is a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters engine designed for reliability and fuel efficiency. It offers smooth acceleration, great low-end torque for city use, and excellent mileage, making it a true budget-friendly companion for everyday commuting. Features and technology. Despite being a basic commuter, the HF Deluxe comes with useful features like i3S start-stop technology on select variants, alloy wheels, and a clear, easy-to-read instrument cluster. It's built to be simple, dependable, and low-maintenance. Ride comfort and handling. The suspension setup and lightweight frame make the ride stable and comfortable on city roads. Combined with its efficient braking and easy maneuverability, the HF Deluxe inspires confidence for new and experienced riders alike. Mileage and maintenance. One of the biggest highlights is its impressive fuel economy, often delivering excellent mileage that keeps running costs extremely low. Add Hero's wide service network and affordable parts, and you get a motorcycle that's truly economical to own. Final verdict. If you need a reliable, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance commuter bike for daily rides, the Hero HF Deluxe continues to stand out as one of the best value-for-money options in its class.